How to fix Epic Games error code IS in MF01-32-32. So to fix Epic Games error code ISI in MF01-32-32, disable background apps, perform a clean boot, and ensure your game files are not corrupted. So let's start with the very first option, which is to perform a clean boot. So this disables unnecessary background services that may interfere with Epic Games Launcher. So on Windows, click on WinR on your keyboard, and then from here, enter msconfig, and then click on enter. And then go to the Services tab, and then on the Services tab, click on Hide All Microsoft Services, and then click on Disable All. And then after this, go ahead and head over to Startup, and then click on Open Task Manager, and then disable all startup items, and then restart your PC. Now, if this option does not work, proceed with restarting Epic Games Launcher. So close the launcher completely via Task Manager. So open Task Manager, and then look for Epic Games Launcher. So once you find Epic Games Launcher, click on it, and then right click, and then click on End Task. Now, if this doesn't work as well, another thing you can do is to verify your game files. So open the Epic Games Launcher, head over to Library, click on the three dots next to the game showing the error, and select Manage Verify to check for corrupted or missing files. And that is how you can basically fix Epic Games error code ISIN MF013232.